Hi, everybody. I am so excited for you that you are on the final unit of our class, which should be a fun, exciting way to conclude our class, moving out of your research unit into something brand new, kind of back to our business, writing, and a little bit of creativity as well. My recommendations for you around this unit are to really invest your time in working together as a team. When students succeed in this unit of our class, it's because they have good communication, they really pitch in and accomplish the tasks that are assigned to them by their group members, and they ask questions and make sure to follow up with each other. So the idea behind our Chopped Challenge, I don't know if any of you are Chopped fans. My husband and I watch it a lot. It's a really fun show. The idea is that you've been assigned a basket of ingredients, which are just things, ideas, even colors that you need to use in some kind of product or service that you want to try to create as a group. Throughout this module, you'll come up with your super cool creative idea. You'll develop some research around it to see how you would market it, how it would be useful, how you talk to people about it. And then the goal at the end is for you to develop a presentation where you would make a pitch to a set of investors and try to get them excited about your project and give you money to get your new product or business off the ground. So as we look at this module, let me scroll down here a little bit. You'll see that there's a series of memos that you'll use as a group to set up how you want to work together, to talk about how your product or business is going to work, to plan your presentation, and then after your group project has ended, you'll also write a letter of recommendation to evaluate all the members in your group. As you move ahead, beginning with this week, where we will start brainstorming some ideas based on our chopped basket, and then setting up our management plan memo where we assign roles to our group members. The main thing that I want to emphasize to you that I said right at the beginning is to really communicate with your group members. So right from the beginning, exchange the email addresses or phone numbers you'd like to use to contact each other, get to know each other a little bit, set up at least one or ideally 2 times each week when all of you are available that you could use for group meetings. That way everybody has time to come together and talk and time to collaborate and finalize documents together. The important balance here is to both share the work, which might mean delegating, handing off the work, specific parts of the project to different people, but then also coming back together to collaborate and polish your documents together. So when you do delegate work, make sure that you're closing the loop and creating time to come back together and polish the work together, ideally in a meeting that's on video or face-to-face on Google Hangouts or whatever you use. So a really easy thing that you can use to meet is on Microsoft Teams. You can call anyone from your computer on Teams and see them on video. You can call a whole group of people and create a meeting on Teams. So that's a really good, easy recommendation. You can also use Zoom, of course, to set up meetings. You could also set up a Google Hangout and invite everybody in your group. But I'd recommend creating some times when all of you could meet a few times a week as you're working on your assignments and you can kind of talk things through. That makes things a lot more efficient than trying to type out a whole bunch of long emails and get in touch with each other that way. So as you can see on our brainstorming discussion assignment for today, the group members are all listed here where our class has been divided up into 5 groups. So you can see all those folks here. You can start a group chat once you get a hold of everybody's contact information. And on Canvas, if you look over here on the left, one of your links says people. And so you can find everybody and reach out to them by Canvas message there to get things going as well. If you need help getting in touch with your group, if you need help deciding on a product or business that you want to pitch, please let me know. I'm happy to talk and make a plan with you and make sure everybody's on the right page. Make sure and read each page of the module carefully so you have a good set of instructions about how the project's going to go and also what you're required to do for each of your memos. Good luck and have fun with this final project, and let me know how I can support you.